Hello and welcome at our presentation. We do our presentation about a school in the Netherlands. The school is called OBS Molenbeek. It has two locations, Boekelo and Usselo. And in this presentation, we really focus on the location from Boekelo. We choose the school because I did my internship at it in the location Boekelo. It has a lot of different classes. It's from preschool until sixth grade. In every grade they use Chromebooks with a whole technology. They have like they do it for games and they have like interactive assignments. And now Sandra is going to talk about the vision of the school.
Yeah. All right. Like Thomas says, we're going to talk about the vision. We think it's very important, and the school also thinks it's that there is a good chemistry between parents, children, and teachers and parents, of course. There are like three main points that are strategic, the most important. Like the first one is consistency. The main part is about you have to learn to communicate and to learn your own place in the school, to find your own happiness and that kind of stuff. The other 2 points are about um,
Our responsibility,
yeah,
yeah,
responsibility. Thank
that
you.
is, it's
Yeah,
it's really important for the children uh, that they know their own that they know their own responsibility to learn, and that it's like it's also their process. The teacher is there to help, but it's their process.
yeah. Their parents have to be like the parents, child, and teachers. They have to combine together to get like the most process out of the child. And I don't know, what do you really like about the school, Thomas?
Yeah, the school is really interactive with what you also said because they really think it's important between the parents, the children. They are really creating like interactive assignment. It's not just a simple math class, but it's like they do it like they go outside. They create games. It's really interactive and they make learning really fun because they also talk about that it's really important for the children that they are going that they have fun in school
Mm-hmm.
because like the most important thing for me and I don't know for you but is that children are going um, they are going happy to school that
Yeah,
they
of course.
yeah and like the school is also really that they have to create happiness between the children and they really work together as a team also like the colleagues the teachers they really talk about like how did you do this last
Mm-hmm.
year and how can I interact with that person because I think it's really hard to connect like they really help each other and it's a really good team and I think because the school isn't like that big it has like from every year it's just like one class and
Yeah.
the children are really close to each other because there are like a lot of brothers and sisters on it so I think like that they are really a team like the classes but also the teachers that is what this school makes really good.
Yeah, I like also the point you said at the start of this video about the technology. Of course, it's a very important part for the future. Like, how is the school going to implement technologies? And they started with it to use like laptops or in Chromebooks. So they for like maths, they use like a program where they can make their own exercise, and if they do it right, their level will be higher, and if they do it wrong, the level will be lower. So every children will be on the same level and they practice on the same level,
Yes.
so everyone will be better at the end. And they do it also for like other like Dutch the language, maybe for
But
English.
also for geographic, they
Yeah,
use it like for everything. And like also what you said, because in school it's really important that you have like the level of your own because there are really like the difference between each children. And like because of the technology, it's really easy to develop everything for their own
yeah,
language.
they're really trying to implement it into the school to use the technology in their favor and to make the school even better and the lessons even better.
Yeah.
And yeah,
I wanna finish. I
yeah.
wanna say like this is our presentation about OBS and Molenbeek. I really liked it to do my internship here, and yeah, we think because they use like that good technologies that we wanted to do our present about it. So bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye.